Hello everyone. In this episode, we will discuss how to append tables in Power Query using Power BI or Excel. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So first I will show you the table. So here you can see the product by AU. So you can see the country Australia, the products, sales, pre-sales and the profit. The second table is product by Sri Lanka. So you can see the country Sri Lanka, products, sales, pre-sales and profit. The third one is product by US. So you can see the country US, products, sales, pre-sales and profit. So in short, the structure of all three tables are same. Okay. Now let me go to the Power Query and I will show you how to append. So from here, Power BI, transform data, and I will click on the transform data. And here you can see all three tables. So you have to select any one table. Like here automatically by default it is selected product by AU, and from the home tab you can see the option here, append queries. So here you can see the two options, append queries and append queries as a new. So append queries, actually it whatever the table you have selected, it will append in that table, but our requirement is to append all three tables and create a new separate table. So product by country. So I will select a new option and one pop-up window for append will be open here. So I have more than two tables, so I will select three or more tables. So let me select this one, and here you can see all three tables. So already product by AU is added here because we have selected the product by AU. So now we are going to add product by Sri Lanka and product by US. So all three tables are added here, and now I will click OK. So as you can see, the new table append 1 is created, and here you can see the country Australia, Sri Lanka and US, and similarly product, sales and all. So all in this table, all three tables are appended and created a new table. So now let me change the table name. So I'll say product by country. Product by country. So in this way you can, you can merge the, you can append the table in Power Query. So for example, if there is any changes in any of the table, like product by AU or any table, this will be the third, your newly created table automatically refresh the changes whatever you have done in the original table. So that's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.